Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech2Go. In this video, we will talk about scientific calculator, which you can directly use just from your mobile device. So sometimes you might need to use a calculator, but you don't have a physical calculator by your side. So you can just install this app from the Play Store. So to install this, you need to go to Play Store and search for CalcES. This is one of the best scientific calculator app that you can use. So it has very less ads compared to the other ones, which has very annoying ads. So this one has limited ads, and you will get all the functionalities that you normally get in scientific calculators like Casio ES991. Okay, so you will get basically all the functions. Here you can do like degree or radian mode, and all other modes are available. If you click on mode, you can change the mode and select as you need. Okay, so if you can download an app, you can also go to Google and just search for scientific calculator, and you should get an interface like this where you can use basic functionalities by clicking over here fx, and you can see you can change like degree and radian, and also use other basic functions. Okay, so if you just do cos 60 degree, uh, okay, let me just select it on radian, and I will calculate cos 60 degree. So you can see it's showing half. So you will get results in fraction format in the Google version of scientific calculator, but in the mobile app, Android app, here you will get uh, like all the functions of a physical calculator. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this helped you in your studies. Thank you for watching this video.